Open a browser, go to read.amazon.com and click on Notes and Highlights. Now you see all your books, select one, there you have it, all the highlights. From here is up to you where you'll save it. In my case, I use Evernote. What I do is select all the text, copy it, open a note, and paste it there. And as you can see, there are some words here that I don't need. Click the three-dot menu and choose the option Find within Note. Then replace all that with nothing. As you can see, you also end up with some spaces in between the highlights. Again, it's up to you what you want to do. Delete the spaces or leave it. It's not going to affect the search. Next, I'll look for a cover, add that to the note, and finally add the author's name as a tag. There is a video here where I explain why I do this. Well, this is the simple method. Of course, there's a more sophisticated way of doing it, and you can learn all about it watching this other video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.